Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a BMW X1. Start by gathering your tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter housing tool, and a drain pan. You'll also need new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Park your BMW X1 on a level surface and let the engine cool down for about 15 minutes. Safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Now, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of your engine's oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it to catch the used oil. Using a 13mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Let all the old engine oil drain out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure every drop is collected before proceeding. Next, find the oil filter housing, typically located on top of the engine. Use your specialized oil filter housing tool to carefully unscrew it. Remove the old oil filter and replace it with a brand new one. Don't forget to install a new O-ring on the filter housing cap for a proper seal. Tighten the housing to 25 Newton meters. Reinstall the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it to 25 Newton meters. Now, pour approximately 5½ liters of the recommended new engine oil into the filler cap. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking for any leaks around the drain plug. Finally, use your BMW X1's electronic dipstick system to verify the oil level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.